right onto Boxwood Boulevard.
Yeah, right here. Right here.
Turn right onto Auburn Avenue, then continue onto Boxwood Boulevard.
Hey guys, so we are in
Proceed
Columbus.
to the route.
Oh, we are. Should be so.
Proceed to the route.
Siri be true. Alright, it's gonna be.
Turn left onto Midtown Drive, then the destination is on your right.
That's right here. Left here. Hey guys, so we are back. I'm about to set up for my very first pop-up shop. Not pop-up shop, vendor event. I am really excited about it.
The destination is on your right, the place.
Thank you. We're actually early. I don't know if anybody, it don't look like nobody's here yet, but we're here, and my mom is over there. She got my table and chairs, and yeah, so we got everything loaded up. We got the whole crew, well, just missing one, but little mama is asleep. Say hey, Colin. He's like, no pictures. Okay guys, so we are here. You got it on? Oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I got this mask on, but give you guys a close-up of my mask. Yes, my uncle made this for me. He made me 3. I got 2 of these, and one was my fiance's logo and stuff for him. Yeah, just want to show you guys the mask. I think I put you on camera already. A close up of your mask. He's selling women's clothes today. He's gonna help me sell these clothes today. So the kiddos are at my mom's because it just got to be too many people in here. So it's just us, and we are just waiting for everything to begin. All right, here we go. Hello. Yeah, just say hi. Look who came out to support me. Yay! Yes. You know stuff. Oh my god. We are selling out of merch. So exciting. It's popping in here, guys. Hey guys, so the event is over and it was definitely a success. Oh man, so how'd you like the event? How'd you like the event? You hear me?
It was great. It was good. It was really popping.
Yeah, I really like it was a good turnout too, and I really liked the fact that it had all the black-owned businesses together. It was a lot of female entrepreneurs. I noticed that it wasn't a whole lot of males. I think it was like one guy, literally one guy that had like a table, but yeah.
With some bomb juices.
Yes. It's definitely a success for my business. Definitely made some good connections and networking and just getting more eyes on my brand, which was the overall goal of me doing this. Definitely made my money back from my vendor fee for sure, like within the first 30 minutes, for real. Like, yeah. But thanks to everybody that came out in support, and to those who wanted to come but just was not able, thank you guys for that. Now we're just heading home and shoot,
Getting ready for a trip to Orlando.
oh yes, going to Orlando this week, so I will try to vlog that for you guys. And yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I tried to film as much as I could, but I was really busy, so it was hard to do that. And he was busy too, because he was helping me out, you know, bagging people's purchases and stuff like that, so it wasn't like he could, you know, record me while I'm doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, you don't want to make it awkward for people. You recording, you know, I don't know, you know, it would have been kind of awkward, right?
Then after Orlando, we're going to Vegas on a couples trip for my birthday.
He is super excited about. He watched videos on YouTube every day about Vegas. He's so excited. This will actually be my second time going. The first time I went, I vlogged that for you guys. It's no longer available because my music was copyrighted or whatever, so it's not up anymore. But if you're an OG subscriber, then you guys have seen that that vlog. But I'll be doing it again, but with the Mr. Then you're gonna take a left. Oh, what's going on here? Good.
Let's get out of Georgia.
Okay.
Dealing with it.
I'll make sure ain't no discrimination going on. We gotta be watching out for each other. We do. Every time I see somebody pull over, I'm looking like, oh, you good? Like, that's how it's gotta be. You just gotta look out. I don't know where this vlog is going. We done went all kind of ways. We went from talking about the pop-up Vegas to discrimination. Yeah, but it is real. It's real out here in these streets. But okay, guys, so I'm going to end it here. I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, make sure you guys shop my store, shop myaveragemama.com. And as always, I see you guys in the next one.